Product name: BISSELL CrossWave Cordless Max All-in-One Wet-Dry Vacuum Cleaner and Mop for Hard Floors and Area Rugs. This is a cordless wet-dry vacuum cleaner and mop for hard floors and area rugs. It is manufactured by BISSELL and is available on Amazon for $399.99. Here are some pros and cons of this product. Pros: cordless. The vacuum cleaner is cordless, which makes it easy to move around and clean without worrying about the power cord. Vacuum and wash at the same time. The CrossWave Cordless Max combines vacuuming and washing at the same time, which saves time and effort. 36V lithium-ion battery. The vacuum cleaner comes with a 36V lithium-ion battery that provides up to 30 minutes of cordless cleaning power. Improved edge cleaning. The vacuum cleaner can easily pick up pet hair that gathers along baseboards and in corners of your home. Wi-Fi connected capabilities. The vacuum cleaner can be connected to Wi-Fi, which allows you to control it using your smartphone. Cons. Price. The vacuum cleaner is priced at $399.99, which is relatively expensive compared to other vacuum cleaners in the market. Heavy. The vacuum cleaner weighs 20.4 pounds, which makes it quite heavy and not very portable. Not suitable for carpets. The vacuum cleaner is not suitable for cleaning carpets, which means you will need to purchase a separate vacuum cleaner for carpets. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.